The first article that I chose to do an analysis of was The Four C's of Technology Integration by Julie Davis. The article stated that there are many C words in education and technology: creation, consumption, connection, collaboration, communication. This article focuses more on the devices themselves. So the four C's from the article are creation, consumption, curation, and connection. The first C is creation. Student creativity should be the main driving force behind presentations and projects. The use of well-written rubrics should guide students, but not limit them. In my current role as a technology elective teacher, I use rubrics for all of my projects, and I try and instill that creativity is a major part of all projects. The next C is consumption. This is concerning how students are being presented with the information. Some forms could be digital devices such as iPads, Chromebooks, smartphones. In the near future, ebooks may even overtake paper books as the main way students are given information in many schools. The next C is curation. This is dealing with how students sort through the information that they find on the web. Students need to know the difference between good and bad sources. At my school, we steer students towards educational databases such as Gale and the Encyclopedia Britannica. We have found that these sites are accurate and reliable sources of information. The final C from the article is connection. This is how students are connecting with each other, their teacher, and possibly with society. This could be through email, Twitter, Facebook, and school-based websites such as Blackboard. Students have the opportunity to collaborate with people from all over the world. My school has just recently given students Gmail accounts, which will allow us to collaborate with each other more effectively as a school district. Right now, they are only allowed to email people in our district network. In the future, this may change. The next article is titled 3 Trends That Will Shape the Future of Curriculum by Tim Barseghian. The 3 main topics of this article are digital delivery, interest-driven curriculum, and skills 2.0. I chose these 2 articles because they dealt with similar topics. In this article, the first trend is digital delivery. In my school, we are mostly a Google education system. This is our second year, and I am getting more comfortable with Google as we go along. Google Sites and Google Classroom are the main 2 apps that I use in Google. Other resources that we use are YouTube, which is a great resource. Open source sites such as Hippocampus and Connections also offer expert and vetted content for our students. The next part of the article was dealing with interest-driven content. As in the first article, this article stated that students' creativity or passion should lead them while being given basic parameters and instruction through a well-written rubric. The final section of the article was Skills 2.0. This is describing how students need to be learning 21st century skills such as collaboration, innovation, and critical thinking. I definitely agree with one part in the section that stated we should be emphasizing skills over facts. Having factual knowledge is great, but having the previously mentioned 21st century skills are essential in today's world.